Windows 11 26 H2 is finally here. But if you download it the wrong way, it could end up with bugs, missing features, or even lose your data. In this video, I'll show you the official Microsoft method to download and install Windows 11 26 H2 safely, whether you are upgrading an existing PC or doing a clean install. So let's get started with no jargon. Here the first method I'll show you, that is joining the Insider program. To join Insider program, just click on the Start menu, go to Settings, then click on Windows Update, and then just scroll, go to Windows Insider program. And make sure you join the Windows Insider program and selected experimental or developer channel. And then it will just ask you to restore your computer. And after restart, just open settings again and go to Windows Update. And just make sure get the latest update as soon as the available section is turned on. And then just click on check for updates and you will see the update. And after installing the update, you will get to see Windows 11 26 H2 is installed to your computer. So now let's move to the next method. Now you just open your browser and then search for Windows Insider download. And here is the link, download Windows Insider Preview ISO. That's the official method. Click in here, and in here, just click on Me icon and just log in with your Microsoft account. Then scroll, and here just click on this drop down, and here select this one, 26,300.8697. Though it's showing as 25H2, but whenever you install, you will get to see 26H2 in WinBur section. Select it and just click on confirm, and then select your language, then click on confirm, and then just click in here, 64-bit download, and download will be started. Now after download, just close your browser. And now you just open your file explorer, go to download, and here we'll see the ISO file. Now here, if you just simply want to upgrade your computer, just double tap on it and it'll be mounted just like this. You just double tap on the setup icon, click on yes, and now here you gotta wait for a few seconds. Now here you just check this box and click on next. And it will check for update, you just gotta wait here. Now here you just read the terms and conditions and click here accept. Now here you see install Windows 11 Pro, keep personal files and apps. That's the safe way to keep everything while upgrading your PC. And then you just click on install and you see the installation will be started with a safe way. Now if you just want to install Windows 11 26 H2 to your older computer, you definitely gotta download Rufus. Search Rufus on your browser and just open the first website. And here it is. Scroll and download the latest one. Click in here and download will be started. When the download is completed, you just click in here and it will be opened. Now just click yes, close your browser. Now you just insert a pen drive to your computer, minimum 16 gigabytes in size, and just click in this drop down, and here you see USB drive is selected. Now you just click on the select icon and go to download, and from here just select Windows 11 Insider Preview and click on open. Now here it is. Now you just click on start. But before clicking on start, make sure that every data on your pen drive is backed up, because in the process it will lose every data from your pen drive. Now just click on start, and here you see you can create a local username. If you just want to set original options to the same values as the current user, just click in here. And now if you just want to install Windows 11 26 H2 to an older or unsupported computer, you just select it, remove requirements for 4 gigs of RAM and secure boot and TPM 2.0. And here is also important, remove requirements for an online Microsoft account. Select this one, and then you just also disable the data collection, skip privacy questions. And if you want to skip all this part and direct install, you just select it, and here you just select your Windows version. That is, in my case, I'm selecting Pro. You can select as you wish. Select this one, disable BitLocker. You also choose this one if you don't need. If you don't want to force Copilot, OneDrive, Outlook, and Fast Auto, etc., check this one. And then these two options are optional. If you just want to use them, you can also use. These two options are related to bootloaders and SQ privacy policy installations. You just select and click on OK. And here you will have to accept all the terms and conditions. And then when it's checked, then click on OK. And then again OK. Now we'll see it started. It may take 10 to 30 minutes to complete the process. Now when the process is completed and your USB is ready, you just plug it into your unsupported PC and install it. If this breakdown helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to take your time up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.